In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coupon codes in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which settings matter so your coupons work seamlessly in your campaigns and flows. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account and that you have a set of coupon codes ready if you plan to upload your own unique codes. Once you're in your Klaviyo dashboard, take a moment to orient yourself. The main navigation lies on the left, and that's where we'll work today. This ensures you're creating coupons in the same place you'll later reference them in your emails. Open the Content drop-down in the left sidebar. Content is where Klaviyo keeps assets you'll reuse across messages, so having coupons here makes it easy to plug them into templates without hunting around later. Next, click on Coupons. This brings you to the Coupon Management area, where you can create new coupon sets, see existing ones, and check their status and usage. It's a central place to keep everything organized, especially if you run multiple promotions. Choose Create Uploaded Coupon. Uploaded coupons are ideal when your e-commerce platform or point-of-sale system generates codes for you, or when you've created a list of unique codes in advance. The Uploaded option keeps each subscriber's code private and single-use if you choose, which helps prevent sharing and protects your margins. Now, fill out the required fields to set up your coupon. Start with a clear, descriptive name so your team knows exactly what this set is for, like a campaign name and date. Select the related store or integration if prompted, which ensures redemption happens correctly on checkout. If you're uploading a list, prepare a simple CSV file with one code per line. Keep codes clean, avoid spaces, special characters that your checkout might reject, and duplicates. If there are options for usage limits, choose whether each code can be used once or multiple times, and add a short, internal description so future you remembers the intent. Set the expiration details. You can typically specify a fixed date and time, and it's a best practice to confirm the time zone Klaviyo is using. Align the expiry with your campaign send window, and consider adding a small buffer so late openers don't get frustrated. Be clear with your audience about timing to avoid support tickets. When everything looks good, click Create Coupon. Klaviyo will save the set and display it in your coupons list. From here, you can reference this coupon set in your campaigns and flows, so each subscriber receives the correct code. That's all it takes to create coupon codes in Klaviyo. Simple, organized, and ready to drive conversions.